Welcome back, guys, to another day of Christine's Jamaican Living. Today we're gonna do some shredded vegetables. But before I do, remember, always hit that like and subscribe button. Tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as I have more wonderful videos available. Go ahead and do it because you're missing out big time. Big time! Tap that button. All I need today for this is my cabbage, some carrots, sugar, vinegar, some salt to wash your vegetables with, your salt, and you need your grater and a container with a lid on. So we want to put it in the container and then we're gonna shake it and mix it up. So right back, gonna go wash my vegetables. As you can see, my vegetable is cut, washed, and clean. So I scrape my carrots, I cut my cabbage in half, and then I cut it again. And make sure I wash it in my salt water to get any gook or any bug or anything that is in there. You always want to wash your vegetables really, really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna use I call this a grater, I don't know what, but it is a grater. Your carrot, I'm using this part. I'm just gonna go ahead and start shredding. Okay, so with my cabbage, I'm using this side right here because I want it a little bit bigger. All the way down to the bump. This thing is sharp, so you gotta be careful. So now we're gonna add our vinegar. So here I have a tablespoon. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a tablespoon of vinegar. I'm gonna do the same thing with the sugar. Like my dark sugar. Put your lid on. Shake. Look how easy that was. Super, super, super easy, guys. And it is delicious. Trust me. And you see, you serve it right there with a whatever meal. Mostly, I like it with my rice and bean and chicken. You know, your rice and bean and fish, or your rice and fish, whatever you want to eat it with. It is awesome, guys. Delicious. Delicious to the core. And you can also, without doing the sugar and the vinegar, you can also use mayonnaise. And when you do it with the mayonnaise, it actually tastes like you're having some coleslaw. Try it, guys. I will be doing that video next. But let me dig in and let you know. Really tasty. Mix it in. I'm telling you guys, this is delicious. But don't just take my word for it. Try it. You try it and you tell me what you think. But guess what? Bye, I'm out. So bye. Bye for now. I'm gonna name my dinner.